welcome to this video. In this video, we will be discussing about multi-agent system, also known as MAS. So what is multi-agent system? So as the name suggests, it is two or more individual agents interact with each other. It's known as a multi-agent system. So there are two ways of multi-agent system that we can build. One is the sequential flow. As you see here, when a user requests for a travel plan, it first goes to the search agent. Then the search agent provides the information to the report agent. The report agent creates the report and passes it to the validation agent. Validation agent validates the report before pass it to the user. So as you see here, this is a sequential flow. We also have a flow wherein the each agent, it's an autonomous agent that will interact with each other. For instance, if a user wanted to create a code, the request will go to the leader, who is also a orchestrator. He will send a request to the coder. The coder will write the code and pass it to the leader. Leader then will ask the reviewer to review. If there are any review comments, again the leader will pass that information back to the coder, and the coder will fix the code before sending the code to the user. Now let me take you to the Visual Studio and show you the implementation. We will get started with the simplest implementation, the sequential flow implementation. So as you see here, I created a project client, and then I also have a couple of agents here, search agent, report agent, and the validation agent. Then I'm getting I also have a function called orchestrate. So just get the city name, send it to the search agent, get the response back from the search agent, search message, we are getting it. Then the same information will be passed to the report agent to prepare the report, and then we will be getting the response from a report agent. Then we will pass that information to the validation agent. Finally, we print this data here. So now let me run this. So it is going to ask us to provide a city name. For instance, let's say I'm interested in Paris. So first it goes to the search agent to pull up some of this information from Paris. It will take a moment. Now the report agent kicked in. We submitted the information that we received from a search agent to the report agent. Now the report agent, it's preparing the report. Again, it will take a moment. Then finally the report is sent to the validation agent. The validation agent validated, and then it printed all this information here. So now if I again go up here, so yeah, so as you see here, the validation, it's pass, and it is printing all this information. It has the some introduction, and we also have some itinerary here, right? So it doesn't have to be this way, but this is just for a demo purposes. I'm just showing you how do you implement the sequential flow using multi-agent system. Now let's look into the autonomous agent implementation. So before I do so, let me run this program. It is going to take a while to get the results. So now it has to let the agent know what exactly needs to be done. So we are saying that to write a Python script to calculate the area of a circle and get the code reviewed. Now let me run it. As you see here, the agent get this information. He creates the task to the coder. Now coder, it's going to write a code here. The initial code is here. Now the team leader will be asking the reviewer to review the code. So now the reviewer is going to review the code. If there are any feedback, the feedback will be sent to the leader. I think there is a feedback. Now again, the team leader, it's going to create a task to the coder to incorporate those changes. Now coder, it's looking into it. Now all those changes are incorporated. Now the code, it's sent back to the team leader. Team leader, okay, now team leader completed the task. Now if I go up, you will have this code ready, right? So this is how the autonomous agents talk to each other So there is always going to be an orchestrator who can perform the orchestration, right? Now let's look into the code. Again, like all this implementation, it's based on the samples provided by Microsoft. So, and I will leave a link to the GitHub repo. So we have a function here to create a task, and then there are a couple of classes. Now what do we do? Like we create a team. When we create a team, it is automatically going to create a team leader based on the YAML definition that we have here. It instruct what exactly the team leader it's all about and what exactly it needs to do. Then it is also like we are attaching couple of agents here. Now we assemble the team, and then that's it. We can we can ask the user to let the system know what exactly needs to be done, and it will take care of that. So that's how this agent to agent implementation works. End of the day, like you will not be implementing this, rather like you will be using a framework to most of these stuff. We will discuss about these frameworks in the upcoming video. That's all I have for this video. Thank you.